Hello my people, how you doing, how you doing? So I have a great news for those that have been having issues on going viral on their YouTube shorts. So I have something that will make your video that you post on shorts go viral. At least have like this view, this view, this view, this view that you're seeing here. It's not magic, it's something that I have studied and I feel like I need to share it with you. If you know me, I don't get scared. The sky is big for everybody to fly. So I will tell you some tips that I feel will help you grow your YouTube channel through the help of short. A short user, you'll be having 5 views. Yes, a lot of people have 5 views, 60 views. Yes, even me sometimes I do have it. Then imagine someone having it consistently and you're tired, you're giving up already. Don't give up. Watch this video to the end and you will gain 1 or 2 things and it will help you revive your dead YouTube short channel. Now, what I will tell you for free is this: if you're posting on short, first you must take time and check what is this trending sound that is happening right now, not 2 days ago, not last week, not last month, that is trending now under your YouTube short feed. You scroll first, second, third, fourth, you're still seeing the same exact sound. That is number 1 thing you need to take note. So that is step 1 to your viral video. Then number 2, check those people that are doing that trending sound. How are they doing it? What are the things that they are doing that is making them go viral? Check them. Check what they do, how they do their things and everything that grab people's attention. Mimic it, or you can do it same to your own original, like yourself, or you collaborate with them. That is another step 2 that can make you have a viral video. Then the third one that you don't need to play at all with is the hashtag to use. Go down to those people that have said earlier that they have used that particular sound. Check the hashtag they are using, copy it and use it, and use 1 or 2. But if you don't, you can use TikTok account, FYP, make me famous, more views, and many more like that. It helps because a lot of people just want to check what is viral on TikTok, hashtag viral videos on TikTok, or hashtag make me famous and everything. Your video might just pop up and people will just watch and keep watching. Yes, people check through hashtag. Yes, it's searchable, like use hashtag or use other keywords, or they search through your name. That is another thing that can make your video go viral. Another thing you need to take note on is your thumbnail. Yes, YouTube short has thumbnail. In that your video, you will see all the videos that you have done where you did like where you did like this, where you were serious and every other thing. Take the one that your face looks so funny, that looks so captivating, and put a caption to it. Like put a caption that people want to know, something that is very curious, very full of suspense, or full of, you know, those kind of stuff. Yes, you're surprised that we're talking on YouTube. Is it this YouTube shorts? If you see what a lot of people go through to make sure that you see that 50k views, 20k views, 100k views, it's not just luck. They worked so hard. They were paying details to, they paid enough attention to details. So that is what you should do if you want your YouTube short to go viral. If you want your YouTube short videos to go viral, this is the thing you need to do. And I don't get skip. And if you do this, you will see that your videos will definitely go viral with these tips that I've given to you. If you've watched my video to this moment and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, comment, like and share to more than 10 persons so you get notification when my video pops up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.